In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply your brand in Adobe Express. If you've already started a design and want it to instantly look and feel like your brand, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring your logo, colors, and fonts into your project and make them work together seamlessly. Begin by looking at the left-hand panel in Adobe Express. You'll see a section labeled Brand, or in some layouts, it may appear as Brand Kit. Click that. This is your home base for everything related to your visual identity inside Express. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel. It's grouped with other core tools. Opening it ensures the app knows which brand assets to reference as you work. Next, add your brand logo, brand colors, and brand fonts if you haven't already. For logos, high-quality PNG or SVG files with transparent backgrounds give you the cleanest results on any layout. For colors, enter your exact hex values so the tones match your official palette. Include your primary hue and any secondary or accent colors you use frequently. For fonts, choose your approved typefaces from Adobe's library or upload your licensed brand fonts. Keep a clear hierarchy in mind. One font for headlines and another for body text often improves readability and consistency. With those assets in place, click Apply Brand to automatically update your project with your brand elements. Adobe Express will adapt your design by applying your colors, swapping in your fonts, and making your logo available for quick placement. This action helps unify the look of text boxes, shapes, and backgrounds without you having to manually restyle each element. If something doesn't look quite right, remember you can adjust your palette or font choices in the brand panel, and apply again until the design feels on brand. Finally, preview your design to make sure everything reflects your branding. Use the preview to check color contrast for readability, confirm that your headline and body fonts are applied consistently, and make sure your logo is clear, properly sized, and not crowding edges. Look for alignment and spacing that feels balanced, and verify that any accent colors are used sparingly and intentionally. If you're working with multiple pages or sizes, scan through each one to ensure styles are consistent across the set. Small refinements here go a long way toward a polished, professional result. And that's it. By opening the Brand or Brand Kit panel, adding your logos, colors, and fonts, applying your brand, and then previewing thoughtfully, you'll create a cohesive design in Adobe Express that truly represents your brand.